Today we will show you how to connection shine suppressor to thermal instrument. This model is ICS6000. The instrument is currently connected to thermal suppressor. We can see the N number of the suppressor. Okay, then I will show you replace to shine suppressor. Okay, we already removed the power cable. And on the interface of the Chameleon software, their N number is disappear. Now, we will connect shine HE engine suppressor. Connect the power cable first. This pipeline come from column outlet. They're actually connecting the air vent in of suppressor. And then, from air vent out of the suppressor goes to detector inlet. Detector outlet goes to the suppressor regen in. Suppressor regen out connect to waste liquid bottle. Pipeline connection finished. Here we can see the N number. And we cannot start the suppressor. Software prompt to reconfigure the instrument. We can go to the Chameleon and click Configure Instrument. And then open this instrument. Find out this is conductivity detector. And select the DC, double-click it. Click the suppressor. We connection suppressor 1. We double-click it and then just click OK. Suppressor is connected. Click Save. Start the pump and then goes to the suppressor. We need choose the suppressor type. If you use the 4 mm of the suppressor, we can choose this one. This is airs for anion. If your suppressor is cation, we can choose theirs. So we choose airs 4 mm first and the click set is running.